Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your Week 2 screencast video. So taking a look at this week's schedule in the announcements page here on Blackboard. Discussion board responses for the readings discussion board number 2 are due on Tuesday. In a moment I'll take you to the course units and we'll talk about Essay 1 assignment and then move on to some other issues that we have to discuss this week. Also on Friday, we have the discussion board number 3 and the invention discussion board. Some people have already started posting in that discussion board. Have you start flushing out a topic for Essay 1, your literacy narrative. And then on Sunday, the discussion board responses will be due for discussion board number 3. What I would like to see is I know everybody's working ahead, and there's been some robust discussions in the discussion board. I would urge everybody to make sure that we get coverage on the discussion board. Posting early and comment and getting in your 2 comments and commenting on the same students, because it seems that the same students are posting early, kind of limits the conversation. And I think if you were to make your initial post, wait a day or two, let the board develop a little bit, and then pick some students who don't have comments or some students who have not commented or did a conversation with earlier on an earlier discussion board might offer some different perspectives as far as the unit we're working in. I'll see how this goes. I may start creating some groups so that way we can force some different interactions. So please try to be patient. I know everybody wants to work ahead when they can work ahead, but conversing in the discussion boards with the same students doesn't allow for a great learning experience. So that being said, let's get over to the course units and to our literacy narrative unit here. And I've already covered the overview and objectives. Everybody's been working on the readings discussion board. I'm taping the screencast video here on Sunday evening, so there's been great participation. So hopefully people can finish up over the next day or so to get that board moved on to the invention board. So, taking a look at your inquiry project, this is a personal essay, and your topic here is a literacy narrative. So, I'm looking for inquiry questions: is what does my literacy mean to me, and what do I understand now that I didn't understand then? So, once again, this is about your literacy, carrying over the theme that we began in the readings with love letters and Mickey's evolution to Megan and her purpose and audience and discovering what writing and vocabulary and language can do for her. So, you will essay into a part of your literacy life, exploring some significance of memories, experience, or observations. Okay. There must be a purpose behind your literacy story that speaks in some way to someone else. Also, too, you want to be richly detailed. Narrow your time frame. I'm looking more for a specific experience, something perhaps just in high school or in middle school. What you would like to stay away from is in first grade I learned this, and in middle school I did this, and then in high school I did this. It is not a life narrative. I'm looking for a specific period of time, experience that perhaps reflects an important turning point in your literacy life. That would allow you to write in great detail, seizing opportunities to show me rather than simply explaining it. In other words, show me, don't tell me. So we're looking for 1,000 to 1,200 words is the range on this essay one submission. So as always, your document should be set up in MLA guidelines as stated in the syllabus. If you have any questions about the assignment, you can email me at any time. Next week, screencast video, I'll explain the process of uploading a draft, and the peer review board will open up next week too. If you have any questions, once again, please email me. Have a good week.